Hi guys, welcome to Aspire to Be channel. So today we'll be doing DIY nails. So first off, the things we'll be using for the video is a UV nail lamp. Then we'll be using some nail foils. And then we'll also be using a gel nail polish set. So these are the brands that we'll be using for this video, but remember you can always use the brand of your choice. So let's get started. We have some nails.
Hey guys, I'm T. Earlier you just heard L, and now we're going to be filing her nails. Here I'm using a step foil, like it tells you what to do. It's 7 different steps and it leaves you with perfectly foiled nails. I mean, beautifully foiled nails. And here I changed the foil. It practically does the same thing as step 1 on the next foil, but it was going a bit slow for me, so I changed it. It's a different brand, but it still does the trick. And while you guys are at it, the subscribe button is free. Just click on it. We're new to this. We're new to all this YouTube thing. Just subscribe, touch that bell so you can know whenever we have new videos. And also press the like button too. And also share to your friends and family, everybody you know. Just shout them out. Let them know we're here. Now we're taking the shine off the fingernail, and then we apply the base coat and we set it to dry on the lamp. Then I put on a layer of the nude color. It looks pink to me, but it's nude. That's the first layer done. And then we apply the second layer and set that to dry. Then put a shiny bling coat on the top. Yeah, it's silver. You can see it when it's finished. Yeah, alright, now it came from under the lamp. It's just to clean it up because it's messy. It has the stuff on the edges, and that's why we have cuticle oil. I know you guys are gonna be like, isn't cuticle oil to like hydrate your cuticles and all that stuff? But it's a tip, just a little hack. When you put cuticle oils around the nail, not on the fingernail, around the nails, it actually gets rid of the messy nail polish on the edge and the sides. You get rid of it and just get a brush and you take that off, and it looks perfect. There we have it, perfectly done nails. They're pretty. It's awesome. You guys can try it at home. Just use what you have. That's the whole point of this video, to show you that you can use whatever you have to make it work.